So welcome back to the Radiance Fashion School. So we are talking about how to use a sewing machine, how to thread it, and how to use a tape rule. So now let's start from threading our sewing machine. So you can see the sewing machine is coming through the tension, then it goes through that little hole you are looking at from behind to the front, then it goes into the needle hole. So threading a machine is just as simple as this. So and voila, we've thread our sewing machine. You can see from the thread on the thread holder on the machine to you can look at it carefully. It passed through that hook to hold it up, then it goes down to the tension, then up to the hole, and it gets into the needle. So now that we are able to thread the upper part of our sewing machine properly, so we should also fix our bobbin into the bobbin case. So that's it, put it in, then you see that tiny hole there, you bring it past and make it come out from the space ahead. Then you fix it, the bobbin case, the bobbin into the machine. Make sure to clip it in so that it doesn't fall off while you are using your machine. Then after that, you gently put your needle into down, then the thread will pull out the thread from under in the bobbin. So make sure when you want to sew, always put the thread behind you. So now let's try to sew. So if you thread your machine successfully properly, so you should have a good stitches like this. So your stitch should be very okay like this. You can see, always put your thread behind you. So and make sure you fix your thread properly before sewing. So now let's go to pedaling of our machine. For a beginner, make sure you put your your two legs on the sewing machine. You can see like so. Place it wide, then the wheel on the machine, you pull it forward, then you use your leg to control the pedal going back and forth. Can you see that? Make sure your leg is evenly distributed, then the machine will move and make a stitch as such. Can you see? Now make sure it's coming forward, don't let it go backward. When the machine is sewing properly, your fabric will be moving backward as such. So that's the reverse in the sewing machine. It's used to secure stitch. So when you pull it up, it goes forward, and when you pull it down, the cross will backwards. It's used to secure the stitch. I removed the thread so to tell you before you thread the machine, it's quite advisable not to thread the machine yet. So when your cloth is moving backward like this, I say that you get it, then thread your sewing machine and start sewing. Is as simple as that. Can see, so simple. So always remember to secure your stitch anytime you are sewing, so your project won't lose. I am using a leg because I'm used to it already. So let's go to using of our tape rule. You see, tape rule has two sides. We have the inches side, that it does our own business. We use more of inches, and the other part is centimeter. So you have this particular tape rule has 60 inches, and that is where we use mostly as a fashion designer. some measure how to make measurements on my channel for some specific measurements. So if you any other measurements you want to know, you can tell me in the comment below, and I'll take time to make the video on it for you. So we have 45 inches, that's the trouser length. 36 inches, and I showed earlier, is a yard. So when you want to measure your fabric, 45 inches is a trouser length and 36 inches is a length. Thank you and see you.